Welcome back to Velocity Media YouTube channel. Okay, in my last video, I showed you how to create Meta business account. Okay, for all your Facebook pages, Instagram pages, and even your Facebook ad account. But in this video, I will show you how you can easily create a Facebook ad account with your smartphone step by step. Okay, so that you will be able to manage ads for your business. Okay, yes, for your brand or organization. So this ad account has to do with advertisement. That's what they have to do with. Okay, so now we are going back to the business account. We're going back to this business account we created. So that inside that business account, I will show you how to create an ad account inside the business account, and also probably highlight some other things you can also do in this account. So this is where we are going. So let's go there. Okay, so we are here on Velocity Media business account. Awesome. So when you come here, there are many functions here, so many options, so many tools, and so many tabs here. Now, the first thing you will do is currently we are on all assets, and there's only one asset here, which is Velocity Media page. Instagram is not here, the WhatsApp is not here, the Pixel is not here, it's only this that is here. Now, we're not going to go to pages, we'll just go to ad account. Now if you come to this ad account, you notice that this Velocity Media business account does not have any ads. You can say no ad account found. Now, because there's no ad account, what do? You have to create an ad account. Remember that this ad account or page or Instagram, they are all called assets. They are called assets. So what do? We create an ad asset. Ad asset. Now, when you say ad asset, you say, what do you want to add to your business account? I said that what I want to add is I want to add an ad account. Or you can add or create. So come here, click on add account. First one here, and you click on So when you come here, there are three things you can do here. You can either create an ad account, or claim an existing ad account, or you can request to share an ad account. Now, as an ad agent, if you want to run or to manage your ad account in my business account, this last option is the one I'm going to do. Then I will now request you to send me your ad account, and but I'm not going to go into that details. Neither am I even claiming an ad account. I'll go straight and create an ad account. That's what we are here. Remember that this business manager or business account does not have any ad account on it. So let's create one. Create the first one. Create a new ad account. Awesome. So when you come here, you will see the process is very simple process. So what's the first thing? Ad account name. Remember the first one we did the business account name, but this is ad account name, so don't confuse them. Ad account is one of the children of business account. Facebook pages is one of the assets of the business account. Instagram account is one of the assets of business account. So come here, you create ad account name. Okay, so Velocity. Okay, Velocity Media. Okay. Add okay. And account. Okay. Good. Time zone. So these are very, very important. These are very, very important. You have to select Lagos here, Lagos, Nigeria. Select Lagos, Nigeria. If you can, I don't know whether it can be typed. Let's first of all select Naira. Let's select Naira. Country is Nigerian Naira. Good. You're selecting Nigerian Naira here. Because some of you that are saying that your account is not showing Naira like MasterCard. You have to make sure that your currency is not down. So let me see whether it will now make it easier for me to select Lagos here. Taking time. So we are now in Africa. Then inside this Africa, we see African Jan, African Accra. I have to be able to see Nigeria, African Dakar, African Freetime, Lome. I'm looking for Nigeria. It has to be Nigeria for it to work. Or has to Brazil, Lagos, correct. Lagos. If you don't get this Lagos, you are going nowhere. So it has to be this. It really have to be this. Okay, it has to be this. When you get this, then you know you have achieved a lot. Okay, then you now say next. Now say next. Good. Now that it's here, it said, are you sure you want to continue? The ad account will be created and added to Velocity Media business account. The ad account will be created and added to the business account. You see that the business account is what houses ad account. Even here in the diagram, you see Velocity Media business account, Meta business account. Under it, you see Velocity Media account, ad account. So you have business account, you have ad account, and you have page. You also page, your business account, business page account, and then you have your personal account, which is your personal. So all these things are different things, play different roles, and very important you understand them. Okay, so maybe I also need to screenshot this one. Everything here is okay. Say once created, business admin with full control of this business ad will also be able to manage the ad account. Do you get it now? So just say I agree. You say create ad account. Once you say that you agree, create business account, and then the ad account, then you say click on create. Click on create, and immediately it will be done. Awesome. So it will be done. So you can now say, before, instead of clicking done, you can actually click add business info, which is going to be like another video. But if it's going to be short, I can include it in this video because this is already 30 minutes. Okay, check your info, they are all correct. You cannot do this like this and you will have issue, because this is Nigeria region, this is currency. But sometimes if the region is America and you are looking to get Naira, it won't work, it will decline. So these two things has to be in order. You now say next. We are trying to set up payment information. Have you seen it now? You have seen it now. It's a Naira payment with MasterCard. It will now show here. It will now show here. Okay, it will now show here. We don't have credit account, so you click here, say next. That is, you are now going to kind of fund the ad accounts and fund ad account, of which we are not willing to do now, but just for you to show you. Have you seen it? So this is optional because I don't have VAT ID, so you can skip it. It's not a problem. So skip it. Then say this is, you now select amount of money you need to pay, which is 4,500. That is here. I'm just trying to. I've already done video here how to fund the account, so you can. I leave the link to that video in this, so you learn how to fund the account. Okay, So how to add fund, how to fund the account. You click here. So this video is not about funding your account. It's not about funding your account at all. So this is how to successfully create your Facebook ad account. Okay, so Valvacity Media is the ad account. Valvacity Media BA is the business account. Ad account, business account. Is it clear now? So I have shown you how to create your Facebook business account. I've also shown you how to create your Facebook ad account. I've shown you how to create your Facebook business page. Okay, they are all in this channel. So locate them and watch the video, and I'll see you in the next video. But before then, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell icon so that Facebook will notify you when I post the next video in this series. Drop your comments to this video and ask your questions. Don't just watch, like this video, leave a comment, ask your question in the comment section so that Facebook can show this ad, keep on distributing this video to other business owners who will find this video very, very helpful. And if this video is helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up and comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell so that everything will be going. I need to be encouraged by whatever your comments. They encourage me and also encourage the video to be distributed. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.